Hello. Welcome to my channel again. All right, so today is Monday, April 25th, right, guys? Yes. I'm inside my garage, and guess what, guys? So this 2022, it wasn't part of my goals or anything, but I am an action taker. I do it. When I see an opportunity, I go for it. That's who I am, an action taker. And I want all my subscribers, all the mamas out there to be action takers this year, 2022. Be a doer instead of just listing things down and not getting it done. So at work, I had this idea that I want to do gardening, plant seed. I said, I always buy tomatoes. Oh, Elisha, please stop. I always plant tomatoes. I buy a lot of tomatoes and onions, these vegetables. I buy it a lot. I spend a good amount of money. I said, why can't I plant my own? So I told my kids, I said, hey guys, we are going to start gardening this summer. They were so excited about it as well. And guess what, guys? I don't know if you can see it, my seeds have started germinating. Is that what we call it? Germinating?
Yes.
It germinated. We have a lot of it. I have to flip the video. So you guys will see. I got a lot of the seeds that has sprung forth. It's so beautiful. I can't wait to watch it grow. My kids are ready. I bought them water cans. I bought different kinds of soil, garden soil, vegetable and herbs, garden soil, mixed compost, a lot of them. I was just excited.
And Elisha also killed the seeds.
And Elisha killed one of them. That's my daughter talking. Yes, I had one inside the bowl, but that one is not germinating because my second son decided to overwater it. So he poured a lot of water inside of it, and now that one didn't germinate. But we had the big one, the one in the big, I don't know whether to call this a pot. Now it is all springing forth. Oh, I love it. Hey, don't touch. That's my baby. That's Gloria touching the other small pot that didn't germinate. Okay, guys, I don't know what you are all up to this. If you are into gardening, comment in the section below. Let me know. And if you find this video funny, give us a thumbs up and like it and subscribe. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.